Boy, even as little kids, we figured out that all you had to do is flip the switch for the lights to come on, right? Just like the wiring in this building is controlled by this switch and the power going to those lights for the lights to come on, our bodies work a lot the same way because our nervous system talks to every part of our body. Every part of our body, every cell, tissue, and organ is controlled by our nervous system, so it knows what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. What happens, though, if part of our nervous system is not working like it should and the power's off? What if that's our stomach? Or what if that's the muscles on our shoulders? What if it's our heart? Things are not going to work as well as they should. That's where we come in as chiropractors. Our job is not to just keep you coming back and pop and pray and hope that you feel better. It's to turn the power on so that your body can work at its absolute best and do the heavy lifting. I'm Dr. Brian McCarley with Genesis Family Chiropractic in Noblesville. Give us a call today or visit us at savinglivesnow.com and let us make sure your power is turned on and you're working at your best.